This is a rotary phone. When using a rotary phone, you pick up the receiver and you listen for a dial tone. When you hear a dial tone, that means you have a good connection. Then you're ready to dial your number. Place your finger in the hole and you dial around and you release it, like this. And you listen for the ringing. The phone rings. It's ringing. Someone answers. Yes, I was calling to see when your hours were tonight. Okay, thank you. And when you're done, you hang the receiver back up on the phone and that hangs it up. And that's how you use a rotary phone.